Hi, it's me again, sir, Camille and Garcia. So for today's video, we will gonna talk about research. Describe what is research. So, research is creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. It involves the collection, organization, and analysis of information to increase understanding of a topic or issue. A research project may be an expansion on past work in the field. Next is describe what is quantitative and qualitative research. So first is quantitative research. Is a research strategy that focuses on quantifying the collection and analysis of data. It is formed from a deductive approach where emphasis is placed on the testing of theory. Next is qualitative research. Relies on data obtained by the researcher from first-hand observation. Interviews, questionnaires, focus groups, participant observation, recordings made in natural setting, documents, and artifacts. The data are generally non-numerical. Quantitative research has four types. So the first type is descriptive research. Is used to describe characteristic of a population or phenomenon being studied. It does not answer questions about how, when, and why the characteristic occurred. Rather, it addresses the what question. The second is correlational research. Is a type of non-experimental research method in which a researcher measures two variables, understands and assesses the statistical relationship between them, with no influence from any extraneous variable. Our minds can do some brilliant things. The third one is causal-comparative or quasi-experimental. It is a research attempts to establish cause-effect relationships among the variables. An independent variable is identified but not manipulated by the experimenter, and effects of the independent variable on the dependent variable are measured. The fourth type of quantitative research is experimental research. Is research conducted with a scientific approach using two sets of variables. The first set acts as a constant which you use to measure the differences of the second set. The research should establish a notable cause and effect. Qualitative research has six types. First is phenomenology. Is a form of qualitative research that focuses on the study of an individual's life experiences within the world. Understanding the ontological and epistemological assumptions underpinning these approaches is essential for successfully conducting phenomenological research. The second is ethnography. Is a type of qualitative research that gathers observations, interviews, and documentary data to produce detailed and comprehensive accounts of different social phenomena. This guide is aimed for those interested in understanding ethnography to develop their evaluative skills when reading such work. The third, grounded theory, refers to a set of systematic inductive methods for conducting qualitative research aimed toward theory development. These analyses provide focused, abstract, conceptual theories that explain the studied empirical phenomena. The fourth, case study, is a research method common in social science. It is based on an in-depth investigation of a single individual, group, or event. Case studies may be descriptive or explanatory, a clear explanation of the case study method of research. The fifth type, historical research, which involves examining the past events to draw conclusions and make predictions about the future. The last type of qualitative research, narrative research, is a term that subsumes a group of approaches that in turn rely on the written or spoken words or visual representation of individuals. These approaches typically focus on the lives of individuals as told through their own stories. The emphasis in such approaches is on the story, typically both what and how is narrated.